Welcome to Financify. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into your Neteller account. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and go to www.neteller.com. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Once logged in, click the Money In or Deposit option in the dashboard menu. On the deposit page, you will see several payment options like credit card, debit card, bank transfers, e-wallet, or other local methods. Select your preferred deposit method. For this example, I'll choose credit or debit card. If you selected a card, enter the following details: card number, your expiry date, your CVV. Click on Continue or Deposit. If required, complete the verification process, such as entering a one-time password into a registered mobile or email. After successful payment, return to the dashboard. Confirm that the deposit amount is reflected in your Neteller balance. And that's it. You have successfully deposited money into your Neteller account. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more financial tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.